Alright, so we're at the first house. This is the before.
We got the after.
Yep. So this is, we just got done. We don't have a leaf blower, so that's why everything is kind of everywhere. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, but we don't have any weed eater string. Well, the weed eater actually gave out. Then the lawnmower is almost given out. But yeah, that's it. We're back from the house. This is the money we got. We got $30 after a long day of work. So that's day one.